I hope they didn't break. Oh my God. Hey, Buns. What's going on? It's your girl Amanda. And I don't know why my phone has been tripping lately. Usually the video quality is pretty decent, but it's been tripping. I know there ain't nothing but Apple trying to get me to, you know, be upgrading my phone and things, but I'm not in that mood, okay? So anyway, y'all, I am just getting out of the house and let's go to Bath and Body Works because for some reason I haven't been getting my emails from them. And I appreciate that. I ain't been getting my coupons or nothing, so you know, I find that as a problem, okay? But anyway, so I just so happen to be scrolling through Facebook as I normally do when I get off work, and more so for my stock pages, but I happened to see an ad from Bath and Body Works that said the candles were buy two get two free, which that's not bad. I wish I had the 20% off coupon that everybody keeps talking about, but they ain't sent it to me. But we gonna go to Bath and Body Works anyway because I need some more candles. I'm out of candles. I did not get the opportunity to shop the weekend of the candle sale in December like I wanted to. So the ones that I did get, they're all gone, honey. They're gone, okay? So anyway, I figured I would go and take advantage of this deal. So let's go, let's get there, okay? Don't pay no attention to my attire, all right? So I'm not wrinkled, I know that. But I just threw on something because I actually, like I said, I just got off work. But today I was so tired, y'all. I work in my freaking pajamas and I don't do that. I normally get up, you know, take me a shower, put on clothes, even though I'm working from home with Demia being ill. You know, I normally get myself together. But honey, just in case I need to run out of the door, you know, or something for lunch or something like that, which I never do. But anyway, I normally do that, you know. But today I was so tired. And I know I actually caught attitude with my husband, and I probably need to apologize for that. But he know I'm crazy, child. He don't pay me no mind. So yeah, we are about to go to Bath and Body Works and get me some candles. I'm kind of upset because 1,000 Wishes finally came back and they have the candle online. However, I want it now, and I don't want to pay $5 shipping just for one candle. I think that's what they charge now. I'm not sure. I've never ordered on Bath and Body Works online because they tripping with the shipping situation. Like you would think over 50 or 75 or something they would offer free shipping, but nada, okay? So yeah, that's pretty much what we're gonna do today, okay? And then I'm gonna get back to the house. I'm thinking I want to go swimming because the pool is actually pretty warm today. But we shall see, especially considering I just flat out my hair. But I don't know. Anyway, y'all, let's go, okay? Oh, I hope they didn't break. Oh my God. Yeah, like, oh Lord, this one arm situation ain't gonna work. Oh Jesus. Okay, then they didn't have any big bags. So if you grab, they give you one little bag at first. And then say if you end up with more than 4 candles, duh, that you could shut up, if you end up with more candles, and you can come back and get another bag. Like, come on, people, they buy one, I mean, they buy two, get two free. Why would I not end up with more than 4? I don't understand, but whatever. Anyway, little Purell. So yeah, so we have a successful trip, you guys. Successful trip. So I'll show you guys what I got when I get home. Boom. All right, y'all, so I'm back from the store. I'm about to drink this pineapple juice. I don't have any coconut water, which is usually what I mix it with, so I'm just gonna pop the tap, okay? Because your girl is thirsty, and I'm trying to save my sweet tea for dinner. Love me some pineapple juice. But anyway, so hubby is in the process of cooking right now, so I'm gonna sneak in this candle haul real quick, because I'm trying to help him with stuff he need help with, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, y'all know what the Bath and Body Works. And so I end up getting 8 candles. They were buy 2, get 2 free. So let me show you what I got. So I picked up the, and look, I got to hold my arm up, y'all. I picked up the Midnight Blue Citrus. I picked up this one because my coworker likes this one, and he was telling me that how good it smells. And when I got to the store, I was like, ooh baby, ooh baby. So I picked that one up. Then I picked up a house favorite. Okay, my kids love it, my husband love it. Boom. So this one is a Black Cherry Merlot. Alright, so got Black Cherry, baby. And then next, what did I get? I got Bergamot Waters. She is a beautiful, smell good, all that stuff. Okay, so bergamot is it's like, it's the strongest, well, not strongest, it's the only male type of scent that I can take. So the mahogany, teakwood, or whatever, I can't do that. I can't do that one. It makes my head hurt. But this one right here is more of a sexy scent. So yeah, this is the only one that I can take that's more of like a masculine scent. So definitely, if you like the man scent but you can't handle that strong smell and make your head hurt, this one right here is great. Black Cherry Merlot is more of like kind of like a wine. It smells kind of like a grape wine type of thing. Not a grape wine, you know what I mean, like that grape juice. Smells good though. Then I picked up the Rosewater and Ivy, one of my favorites. Y'all, like, this one right here is definitely one of my favorites. I have the spray in my purse. I have the room spray in my purse, and it doesn't take much at all. So this is probably going to go in my bedroom. So yeah, pretty sure this one's gonna go in the bedroom. Alright, so, and I didn't get any duplicates because there's really no point when I can just, you know, try different ones. Endless Weekend is this one right here. Very pretty jar, like super pretty. And I was kind of taken back by it because it's a beautiful smell, but I can't put my hands on what it is. It's like, it's kind of like a bubble gum mixed with like ocean, little sweetness from the bubble gum, and then like the ocean is in there. I don't know, but this one is something different. So I'm kind of, I only got one, but because I want to burn it and see first. But if it, you know, if it smells the way I think it's gonna smell, like a subtle, beautiful scent, I'll go back and get more of those. Alright, so this one here I picked because I actually like the bath the shower gel of this scent. So I'm not really big on rose or vanilla, but mixed together, girl. So I picked up this one right here. See, oh, right there. It's Love with the rose vanilla scent. Oh my god. And it smells just like the freaking bath stuff. It smells more of rose than vanilla, which is probably why I like it. But the vanilla tones down the rose, but because I'm not big on vanilla scents at all. This one, y'all, this one right here, I should have gotten more than one. This one right here, I should have gotten more than one. Sun Drenched Linen. Oh my god, y'all, if this don't smell like you washing clothes. You ever walk through your neighborhood, or like you're walking up to your house and you can tell somebody's washing clothes, you can smell it? That is what this smells like. It smells like Downy or like Bounce or something, you know, like a fabric softener. Not like what you wash the clothes with, not the detergent, but more like the softener. Like, oh my god, this is, listen, this one right here, I'm going back. Because that one, that one in Endless Weekend, baby. Listen, and then I heard so much about Mahogany Coconut. I had to get this one as well. And there she is, Miss Mahogany Coconut, and the color is beautiful. Oh, it does smell so good. It's not a lot of coconut, but it's enough in there so if it doesn't overpower you. And the mahogany is just like, this smells like a flower with like coconuts. It smells really tropical. So definitely love this one too. So out of all of them, I promise you guys, like Sun Drenched Linen is going to be a favorite. Mahogany Coconut is going to be a favorite. So I think I have some new favorites, and then Endless Weekend may be a favorite, but yeah. Alright, so that's all I got, y'all. So let me get off here and get ready to go down, okay? Anyway, I'll see y'all later.